Hello, folks, and welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to share with you a very interesting tip that is about how to create your own button in Microsoft Excel. Very simple and straightforward. I'm going to show you in the Developer tab. So, on your ribbon, you have to click on the Developer tab, and there you will find a Controls area. In the Controls area, you can see this Insert bit. Click on it, and then you will see a lot of form options. One of the form options is button. Just click on it and drag and drop like this. And you will find this option, assign a macro. There is a macro name as well. You will simply click on new, and then you will be transported into a coding area. In this coding area, you can see a sub and end sub. This is the code start and end. So you can simply see it from the transaction details. I'll give you a small transaction here, MSG box. So when you write this syntax, the system is asking you to pull in something that in this MSG box, it will be showcased. So I will pull here a comment, Excel to Excel, and I will close the parenthesis. That's the code for showing a message box. So I'm going to close this, and here we are. Now the button is there, and if I click on the button, you can see it is showing me a message box with the text that I wrote. You can change the text as well. Simply click on OK and it will move away. How was this? I hope you enjoyed the experience of creating your first button in Microsoft Excel. We will talk about more functionalities associated with this button, but today's task is to practice this button, create it for yourself, and then share your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to speak to you very, very soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.